how to play TikTok videos in reverse. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Here you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now, go to Media at the bottom right corner. You can choose photos or videos from your camera roll here. Here, select the video you want. Then, tap on Next at the bottom. You can edit the videos as you like using the Edit options on the right side of the screen. Now, tap on the effects icon as shown. Here, you can view all the available effects on TikTok. Swipe left and go to the Time section. Then, select Reverse from here. Your video will now play in reverse. After that, tap on Save at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily play TikTok videos in reverse.